Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. Let's just jump right in today, all right? Because we are tackling something huge, the actual fundamental difference between amateurs and professionals. I'm going to put on my business mentor hat for a bit here as we look closely at the blueprint for systematic trading profitability. The goal for us today is a total mindset shift. We're going to stop just crossing our fingers and hoping for profits and start actually engineering them. We're talking hard math, rigorous backtesting, and ruthless discipline. So get focused, because this is all about taking control of your financial operations and running them with clinical precision.
All right, let's face this stark reality right up front. On one side, we have a real business, which absolutely, non-negotiably requires a written plan. On the other side, a hobby. And in this arena, treating trading like a hobby just makes you a gambler with a laptop. Seriously, if you're operating without a strict, clearly defined written plan, you aren't trading, you're just guessing. Throwing capital at a market and hoping for the best is reacting to emotion, not executing a strategy. Treating this as a proper business means you build a robust trading library and a strict daily checklist. If a market opportunity doesn't check every single box in that library, you don't touch it. Profitability is never an accident. It is the direct result of structured, disciplined planning.
Okay, moving into section 1, building a repeatable system, looking at the core mechanics. To graduate to a professional standard, you need processes you can execute flawlessly over and over again. So what are those mandatory mechanics? Well, they boil down to 3 precise steps. Step 1, you have to define your setup A. Let's say, for example, your basic system defines setup A as a moving average crossover on a 1-hour chart, but, and here's the strict condition, only while the overarching daily trend is clearly bullish. That's your rule. Step 2, define your entry triggers. When that setup A appears, what is the undeniable signal to actually hit buy? Is it the exact moment the candle closes, or when a specific price level breaks? Define it. And step 3, exit rules. You absolutely must establish strict boundaries. Maybe that means placing a hard stop loss exactly 1% below the entry candle to instantly cut losses, and setting a take-profit target at a strict 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. This becomes your simple, non-negotiable checklist for verifying every single trade setup. Everything has to be defined up front to completely eliminate in-the-moment decision-making. Right, on to section 2, the math of backtesting, proving your strategy. This is where we leave theory behind and use historical market data to verify that your repeatable system actually prints money. And the magic benchmark number here is 100. You need a sample size of at least 100 historical trades. Look, 5, 10, or even 20 trades, that could literally just be a lucky streak. But 100, that gives you real statistical weight. Now, a super frequent mistake I see traders make during testing is overfitting. Retroactively tweaking your rules just to make the past data look good, or completely ignoring the brutal reality of trading fees and market slippage. To avoid that trap, you must filter your historical data objectively. Look at different market cycles, bull runs, bear markets, and those choppy, sideways environments. You really need to know that your entry signals hold up even when the market isn't just handing out easy wins. We collect those 100 historical trades across all those different cycles for one very specific reason, and that is expectancy. Expectancy is simply how much you make on average per trade. And the math is straightforward. You multiply your win rate by your average win size, and then subtract your loss rate multiplied by your average loss size. Let me give you a real mathematical example. Say you win 40% of the time making $200, but you lose 60% of the time losing $100. Run that formula, and it spits out a positive expectancy of $20 per trade. If your math results in a positive number, boom, you have a viable business model. If that number is negative, your system is broken, and you've got to go back to the drawing board. Understanding this single crucial metric is what allows you to execute trades with total, unshakable confidence. Which brings us to section 3, your ultimate trading asset, the daily ledger. Let's look at the ongoing operational requirement that's going to keep your trading business alive and thriving. Your practical, immediate takeaway from this whole explainer is to start a daily trading journal today. Let me give you a really simple spreadsheet layout to do this correctly. Step by step, you need columns for the date, the specific asset you traded, the exact setup you used, the entry price, the exit price, your realized risk-to-reward outcome, and, crucially, a column for your emotional state during the trade. Were you stressed, confident? Write it down. Meticulously recording this data is the ultimate act of mental discipline. It proves you are actually following your written plan, not just kind of pretending to. This simple spreadsheet becomes your daily feedback loop, letting you monitor your live expectancy in real time and ensuring your real-world execution matches the flawlessness of your backtesting. I absolutely love this insight from the source material. The data in your journal is more valuable than any secret indicator.
It is so true. Too many people spend literally years searching for a magic bullet algorithm or some hidden technical setup that's going to guarantee success. Newsflash, it doesn't exist. Your own historical data, your meticulous tracking of your own execution is your absolute greatest asset. Now, it takes immense mental discipline to face your own mistakes on a spreadsheet, but your journal tells you the unvarnished truth. It proves whether your edge is real or just imagined, and it actively stops you from making crazy, emotional decisions when the market gets volatile.
As we wrap things up, I want to leave you with a tough, provocative question to really challenge your daily habits. Are you running a business, or are you just gambling with a laptop? Take a hard look at what you're doing. Do you have a written plan with rigidly defined entry and exit rules? Have you backtested 100 trades across different market cycles to avoid overfitting? Have you actually mathematically calculated your system's expectancy? Are you logging every single detail into a dedicated spreadsheet? If your answer to any of those is no, well, you know exactly what you need to do next. Take these blueprints, build your system, embrace the math, and finally take full control of your results. Catch you next time.